is online, and although he may have already shared with others over Zoom, there are hundreds of people here in Kampala, Jorge, who would love to hear from you, and he will now speak in memory of Sumy.
Sorry guys, we're having very big technical problems, but we're just going to sit and wait for Jorge to finish and he will share with us what he's saying.
Yes, abatulaba ku Bobi Yanga page olumbe lwa Sumy mbeera ya kukungubaga ndowooza mulaba embeera nga bweri baganda bange okukungubaga okw'enjawulo obukaaba onywa omwenge obuseka naye n'abaagala Oluganda mujja bisanga ewammwe Masaka oba ab'e Masaka batategeera nnyo Uganda si mu bubi naye embeera bwetu bweri wano okukungubagira nga bw'olaba. Kambuuze mwana ngamba okuteerera muganda wange naye abantu bangi nkwataganye ekyo kyetulaba Bobi yanga taliwo abaweereze abudduwa Bobi ya naye nga mwali wano security ako
Apologies to everybody for the slight technical difficulty there. We've just changed the order of play based around some people who might need to leave. So excuse us again if there's another little hiccup. Sumy was also a public figure, and we've been overwhelmed by the kindness of everyone via social media and through words that those who knew Sumy have spoken publicly. Sumy covered some of the most interesting stories. We'd like to invite Bobi Wine now, who would like to say a few words.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Bobi, and I'm one of Sumy's very many friends. Today, I will not say all the things that I would love to say about Sumy for obvious reasons. Maybe someday I'll write them on social media because I don't want to make people uncomfortable. I just had to come personally to pay my respect to Sumy because that's the least that I could do. She was an amazing person, and she made friends with so many of us here. I met her through many interviews that we had, and amidst those interviews was lots of conversations, lots of jokes. She was a positive vibe. She was a good person, and she became my friend like she became friends to so many of you. She was a positive thinking person. I say that many times again. She was a good human being, and I'm sure many of you here will miss her. I will not say all that I would love to say about Sumy. Maybe I'll just get to light my candle and leave. We'll miss her. I may her soul rest in peace. I'm not very religious, but I want to convince myself that there will be a day we'll meet again. Rest in peace, Sumy. We love you. We'll miss you.
Sumy was also a renowned journalist. We have been overwhelmed by the support from the international press. Sumy was so passionate about her work, and her photographs shone a light in some of the world's most overlooked tragedies and joys. Kathy, on behalf of all her colleagues from East Africa, followed by Gronya from the International Press Association, will now speak. Is Kathy coming forward?
So,
Oh, yep, she's struggling through the crowd.
yeah.